Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen here at Watkins Way. Today we're going to make a Kentucky cherry cobbler, so stay with us. Okay, let's go over our ingredients today. We're going to use a 21-ounce can of cherries. We're going to use a cup of milk, a cup of sugar, and this is very important. We're going to use a cup of self-rising flour. If you don't use self-rising flour, it's not going to work. And we're going to heat up our cherries. It's just easier to move them around in the casserole dish. And what I got is a stick of butter right here, melting in the oven in a 9 by 13 casserole dish. We're going to put our flour in, self-rising flour, and we're going to use a cup of sugar. It's real easy. It's a cup of flour, cup of sugar, cup of milk. A cup. And we're just going to mix these together. See how easy this is? I mean, what, 15 seconds and you're done? This is really a really simple recipe, and it's very good. My mom, she made a lot of cobblers when I was a kid growing up in Kentucky. Very important, put your batter in first. Just kind of spread it around. So just remember, batter first. And then we got our cherries over here heating up. And so we want to kind of spoon these around. And it's just a 21-ounce can, that's all you need. And we're going to put this in the oven, and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Then we're going to take it out and let it cool down a little bit, and we're going to serve it with some, or I don't know if I'm going to serve it today with vanilla ice cream, but vanilla ice cream is a good thing to have with it. So, the only reason I said that is I don't know if I have it in the freezer here today. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. See how we got it all spread. That looks pretty good right there. Set this over here. It's actually pretty hot. I burnt myself 3 or 4 times before, so I got to remember that this has been in the oven. All right, so we got it on the center rack, and we got our temperature at 350 degrees. We set our timer for 1 hour, and we'll be right back. All right, our cherry cobbler is done. We had it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. There's our cherry cobbler. Remember earlier I said this would go really good with ice cream? I don't have any. But I'm thirsty and I do have booze, so now it's classic cocktail time. Today I'm gonna make a gin gimlet. In the 1800s, in the British Royal Navy, when the ships were at sea, they would have barrels of gin on board. And there was a tool that they could bore into the barrels without splitting the wood, and the name of that tool was a gimlet. So every day they got a little ration of gin, and then they got 2 limes, and I think the limes was for scurvy, for the deficiency of vitamin C. So anyway, we're going to take the 2 limes, we're going to take some gin, and we're going to make a gimlet. So we're going to do about 8, 9, about a 10 count of gin, and about 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. And we're going to shake it. And I got my coupe glass. All right, come on, get off of there. And we're gonna pour this in my coupe glass. And a wheel of lime. And that, you know what, this is gonna be one of these bend over and sip drinks. Now I can head out to my patio. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.